Hey guys, just a quick video here about Harley detachables. There's a little bit of confusion out there sometimes on what docking hardware you need to run a backrest or to run a detachable tour pack. There's not a lot of concrete evidence and information out there on what you need. My bike is a 2002 Electra Glide Classic. It came equipped from the factory with a permanent mount tour pack. The previous owner put the detachable tour pack on it before I bought it, so I didn't have to go through that. But one of the options to be able to put just a backrest on. I don't always need the tour pack. Sometimes I just want to have just a regular backrest without the extra weight of the tour pack. Passengers seem to like both. Either one is fine. This one has no armrest, but if you're just doing a short little trip, going to get ice cream or something, that's all you need. The tour pack, they don't get quite as much wind behind them, and I guess end up with sweaty backs. I don't know. I don't have that problem. I sit in the front, so that's not my issue. Anyways, Harley has the docking hardware available in a front set, a rear set, or a set that has all 4 points for each side. So the front and the rear together. The detachable backrest alone requires the front set, and the detachable tour pack uses the rear set here. It's quite simple. Once you get the everything installed and lined up, a couple of quick locks, the tour pack pops right off, or the backrest pops right off, and you can stow it wherever you need to stow it. You can run solo without any rest at all. I like the look of that. It looks more like a street glide. You can just pop the tour pack back on. Once you go to a detachable tour pack, this being a classic, didn't have speakers in the tour pack, so it was a quick and simple plug here, goes into the tour pack. Small modifications for the antenna and the wiring. That's not the scope of this video. This video is just to explain the docking hardware. Rear set is here. The front set is down in here. One is behind the saddlebag. There we go. Now we can get to see them. There's the rear mount for the front set. The front mount for the front set is up the front here, and it goes right near the top of the shock. It's that simple. You can have a detachable backrest as well as a detachable tour pack on the same bike. You just need to get the appropriate docking hardware. It's been covered over and over, but to put the tour pack on, simply slides into the back mounts. Get your latches aligned. Rolls forward. And click it in, hook up the wiring, and I'm good to go. All my lights and everything will work on the back. Anyways, guys, I hope that clarifies a little bit of information on the mounting hardware. As far as which docking kit you need. If you want to just do a detachable tour pack, you buy the tour pack kit. It comes with the mount for the tour pack, and it comes with the rearmost mounting docking kit set. If you want to do a backrest, you have to get the other set as well. Hope that clears a little bit of information up, maybe a little helpful. It was for me. There wasn't a lot of information when I was looking into it to see what I actually needed to put on this bike to run either the detached tour pack or the detached backrest on the same bike. Anyways, I'm going to cut that one off for now. This is just a little FYI for the guys looking in doing this on their bikes. Thanks, guys. We'll catch you in the next one.